Hi. So now let us take this example for finding these two set of FDs are same or not over this relation R. Okay. So the first one is F covers G. Let us find this one. F covers G actually. So in this case, if you see G, you have A, E in the LHS side. So let us find the A closer. Let us find A closer. So that you must get the CD from F actually. So if I find A closer here, A, of course, A deriving C. Okay, fine. Then AC deriving D. See, this is more than enough, right? C and D we need to get from A closer. So that we already got. So that means this is fine. This part is you got actually. And of course, remaining things, if it is deriving anything, you can collect actually. But for us, this is more than enough. And then G closer, let us try to find. So E closer from F, we have to find. So E, and in the E closer, you must have AH. So E closer, here E is deriving AD. Let us take them. AD. So A we have, H we need. So here E deriving H also. So that's it. So AH we got. So that means F covers G is fine. And then let us take the G covers F. So whether it is doing or not, let us check. G covers F. Now that meaning is A closer, AC closer, E closer we have to find. So A closer, if you see what we are getting. A closer from this actually, A deriving CD. So that is more than enough. We need to derive C, so that we got it here. Then next AC closer. AC closer. So this you can finalize AC closer if you try to find out. When you find A closer itself, D we have. So that means AC closer means definitely you will get D from this. So that is what the ACD. So we have D that we covered actually. Next, E closer. In case of E closer is AD, here also ADH we have to get. So let us see here. E deriving AH, and A deriving CD. So now you can see we need ADH. So AHD, all of them is there. So this is also fine. So when these two are same, so what you can write down actually, therefore F is equal to G actually, both of them is same. Now because both of them is same, which set of FDs we are going to consider for our implementation? So that is what here G have less number of FDs actually, okay, than F actually. So you can go for G for implementation because both of them same, right? So that is the reason we are going for G. Okay.